All right, welcome back, traders. This is Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our second week trading month of February. Today's Saturday. We are gonna be reviewing our pre-week forex forecast for the week of February 8th to the 12th, trading our multiple time frame system. So tomorrow, Sunday, we'll be trading our weekly forex forecast. Make sure that you do subscribe so you will not miss our tomorrow video, right? And on another quick reminder, guys, is the following. Is very important for me to bring it up to you, is that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to analyze the market in a very accurate way so I can come back on Wednesday, where we can review everything that I'm doing today. We're gonna come back and do a follow-up and check the video that I'm doing today, Saturday, which is the pre-week, and the video that we're gonna do tomorrow, and then we're gonna put it all together in one video. Then you will see how the week has done. It performed so well. So the link will be below, guys, if you find value of this multiple time frames, in case you want to subscribe. Let's get to work. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. This is the first pair of the week. We're gonna go ahead and start with our Euro GBP. Pay close attention, guys. This is very important for everybody to know. The market in Euro GBP, it's selling, guys. Market is selling. Market is not bullish. So please remember, market is still in a downtrend system, so it's not going bullish yet. So what is my opinion from here? So what I'm seeing here is that our system is letting us know here, multiple time frame is letting us know the system is getting ready for a buy position. Listen to this, it's getting ready for a buy position. So this is what my opinion on this particular pair is the following. The market still has room to drop and retest our buy zone. Here on the Fibonacci, guys, this is the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci is getting ready to be in a buy zone. So it will come back, retest that, and then market will give us a pullback, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci. And then from here, market will continue and give us a continuation of the trend, because the trend here is in a bearish position. But what I'm seeing here, that for the week of the 8th to the 12th, we're looking for a retracement, a PV. It's very important for you to know how to trade pullback. If you don't know how to trade pullback, it can hurt your account. So that's why it's very important for me to come and tell you this. All right, guys, one quick thing, if you are finding value of this one, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and hit that bell notification below, because it will help us with the algorithm of our YouTube. Okay, so let's go, let's get to work, and let me keep showing you what I'm seeing on the market. All right, the next pair that I have here is EURJPY. This is very interesting. The market here is giving us a buy position on the 4 hours. So this is what I think. But overall, guys, the market here is giving us a sell position. This is what multiple time frame is letting us know here. Pay close attention. A signal came in, boom. And then look at who else. Another signal on multiple time frame, boom, showed up. And then another signal showed up, boom, market showed up. Look at what happened, guys. This is what multiple time frame does. Boom, market drop. And then we got a reversal. This is a PV. If you don't know how to PV, don't trade PV. Then the market, what did the market do? The market took off and boom, market went back up and gave us another confirmation. Said Irving, we're still gonna be in a sell position because the market here is bearish, guys. Please, guys, go back and check any system that you wish. It doesn't matter what you're gonna be using. Market here is selling. So what's next is the market give us a sell position here, right? And then the market dropped. It dropped, boom. And then what happened was the market gave us another pullback. This is a pullback. So right now the market is still standing on this pullback here. So it's coming to the end. If you pay attention here, the market came and retested our 78.6 Fibonacci line. So what is my views on this one is the following. Market still have few rooms to drop to go bullish. one or two more candle, and then this drop here is gonna make it stronger. So most likely it's gonna come back in here, and then the market will give us a what? A bearish position for the whole week of February 8 to the 12th. So what I'm looking on this particular pair, to be honest guys, it is a sell position. If you are seeing something else, please let me know in the comment below, because all I'm seeing here is sell and more sell and what? And more sell and what? And more sell. That's what I'm seeing here, guys. What do you think? Do you agree? That's what I'm seeing. Unless if you see anything else. And we are trading multiple time frame system, guys. The link is here below. So if you want to come and check us out, please do so. Here's the link. Look, find us on TWEForexSystem.com. So you can come and check us in there. All right. So let's go to the next word pair. Hopefully this does make sense. If you still have any question, please guys, comment below, or either you can send me a message, a private message. The link is always on our YouTube videos, guys. Let me drink some coffee because it's morning here. So I'm making this video today, Saturday, but like I said, you know, the link of my personal Telegram is always on my video. Let me see. Let me bring one of my videos so you can see it, because it's very important for me to show you, right? Instead of just talking. Let me show you what I'm seeing here, so you can see it, right? So let me go ahead and bring this video here. All right, so this is our channel here, right? So let's go here. So when you go to any of our video, all that information is here. If you want to send me a message, look, it's here, right? So here's our website. If you want to do that, you want to subscribe, you want to send me a private Telegram, all you gotta do is click in here and boom, it will take you in there. And if you want to get one stack of Robinhoods, also it's in there. There's plenty of information in there, so come and join us, and it's there. So hopefully that cleared up. All right, so now that I gave you on this particular pair, letting you know the market is in a better position, we are gonna move on to our goal. Who is gonna be trading gold this week? Gold is looking for a bullish position this week. It's giving us a bearish strong position, retracing to the bullish position. But I think I had this information a little bit off. Let me go ahead and remove this, bring it here, right? And then we're gonna bring it here. Now, what am I seeing in here? Remember, gold is selling, guys. Gold is not bullish. Please, please, please. Look at what our system told us. Sell. Look at what happened here. It gave us more sell. What happened here? It gave us all sell. This was this past week, guys. This was the week of what? 4 to the 11th? Yesterday, no, what was it? 4 to the 5th, right? Something like that. The first of February 1st to, February 1st to February 5th. So all last week the market was selling. Look at this one. Boom, market drop. Look at our multiple time frame. What are we seeing at this present time? The market is giving us a buy position. So, but the buy position need to get more ready, right? It's not, in my opinion, it's not fully ready yet. So what I'm seeing here is market will drop. Why will it be dropped? It already came and retested our previous brothers and sisters in here, and then it did respect these brothers and sisters in here, and it went to the next level. So right now it's sitting at a very nice level. So all I can see here is the market will come back, do a small retracement, and then boom, market will continue a buy position. This is for a this coming week. All I'm seeing here is the market is getting ready for a buy, a PV. This is a PV, guys. PV equal VV. That means pullback equal bad business if you don't know how to trade it. If you know how to trade that, and you can make 20, 30, 40 pips, sure, you know, come and get the money. But what I'm seeing here, market is in a buy position, guys. It's kind of getting ready for that buy position. Please comment below and let me know if you do see something else, because anyway, I'm making this video for you guys, to be honest. All right, so hopefully all this stuff makes sense, guys. If you guys want to come and join us, well, guess what? Here is our multiple time frame. The link, it is below. So make sure you hit that bell notification, smash that so you can see more video from me, so you will never ever miss anything. So on Wednesday, we're gonna come back and do our follow-up, guys. Today's video, which is our pre-week, and tomorrow that is gonna be our weekly forex forecast. Don't miss anything. Tomorrow is gonna be on fire. So far, I'm so happy with what we have seen. The month of January, all my four analysis that I give you in the month of January, they all were top notch. They all were 100%. Last week, I came back on Thursday to do the follow up, and all the nice pairs that I gave you were on point. So I don't know what is gonna happen this week, guys, but let me go ahead and bring you the next pair. The next pair is GBPUSD. This is my philosophy, guys. Please pay close attention so you can never ever get fooled by anyone. So all I care is what is gonna happen, guys, on when it's gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You're gonna cash that money. A lot of other traders, pay close attention. A lot of other traders, they love to tell you back data. Why? Because back data already happened, and it will say, oh, market will sell. Oh, this back data here is a buy. Yes, the market was in a buy position. This back data here is a sell. So it's easy. It's easy for them to talk about back data. Put them on the spot and say, hey, show me what it's gonna do tomorrow. What is your prediction? They're gonna be mumbling. I'm telling you, they're gonna be mumbling, because they're gonna be like, well, they're gonna come up with a different story. Well, but my philosophy is to show you real time. What is real time doing is the following. This is what I'm seeing in this particular pair here, guys. What I'm seeing here is the market here was in a buy position. Boom, it took off. Anyway, GBPUSD, it should be in a bullish position, right? Let's take a look at it together so you can learn real quick. Boom, look at it. You see that bullish position? See, this is using multiple time frame, guys. Look at what multiple time frame tell you. Boom, look at that, beautiful, gorgeous. It's a gorgeous bullish position. It's not selling. The month of February is not in a bearish position. It's not. Hopefully that makes sense. But let me show you real data, because all it matters is what we're gonna be doing this coming week, right? We're gonna review this pair when? Wednesday. You're right, Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern time. Anyway, we're gonna do it live on YouTube, so you can watch that video later on. So this is what I'm seeing here, guys. Market here is in continuation. Pay close attention. Market is giving us a continuation of that bullish position. I just show you. This is the boss here. Look at here, previous boss, boom. This PV is over, game over. So market right now is taking over as a buy position. What are we seeing here? Yesterday Friday, the market did close in a bearish position. It wanted to be closed. So all I can see here is the market may give us a PV coming and retesting our 23 to our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue bullish. It will come back and retest this, brothers and sisters, here. Boom, and then the market will continue as a bearish. But here, all we're looking here is market here is in a buy position. So what I'm seeing here, market this coming week, guys, what do you think the market is gonna do? It's gonna do a PV equal VV. That means it's doing a pullback. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday and review this pullback so we all can agree together and see, okay, Irvin, you were correct. No, Irvin, you were wrong. You will judge me on Wednesday in real time. But all I can say that this past 5 weeks of year 2021 at multiple time frame has been 100% so far. Can't complain. Look, all you need is one dang good week for the whole year, and boom, that take care of it. But all my 5 weeks that I've been analyzing the market has been right on point, because I use very specific rules to analyze the market. I know these are not signals, don't get me wrong, they're not. They're not, but they are top notch. So I'm getting ready for tomorrow, Sunday, to do our weekly analysis guide. Please don't miss it. Anyway, all this is free, so it's not costing you anything. If you want to grab our multiple time frame, sure, the link is below. But today we are reviewing our pre-week forex forecast for the week of 8 to the 12th of February 2021. I want to thank everybody for coming in today. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will look forward to see you tomorrow. At what time? Maybe around 10:30, 11 a.m. All right, guys. So thank you guys. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care. Hasta la vista. Peace out. All right, let's make that money. Let's make the money. Who wanted candles? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. All right, guys. Take care, man. Take care. Peace out. Peace.